I don't normally do early mornings like that, but I decided I'm going to get started on some cleaning right away today and finish organizing things. And I thought you might want to tag along a little bit. It is Vlogmas Day 14. We are getting to the end of it, and I'm very excited about that. Let's go there. And I really can't believe it at this point. I do plan on getting some pre-filming done. So, of course, that's going to make a mess in the clean area that I'm cleaning right now. But, oh well. I still need to figure out what to do with that chunk of hot glue. I don't even know where my hot glue gun is right now. I didn't sleep very well. I woke up at like 6 and then I stayed in bed till 6:45. Just trying to sleep, couldn't, so I eventually just gave up and started watching TV. I would have started filming earlier, but I figured you guys didn't want to see my boyfriend not fully clothed coming in to get his work clothes. The dork slept on the couch last night because he was watching TV. I also want to get all my makeup out of the bathroom. That's moisturizer. Okay. Full hands. Just want to slowly get things looking a bit better. I use you daily. Alright, we are gonna switch into time-lapse mode. Woohoo! I'm too tired for this. I just filmed 2 videos and I don't know if I'm happy, especially with the second one. I think the first one was fine, but I don't know. This eyeshadow look on this eye just was not a good one. And I don't like it. Yeah. Why am I wiping off my makeup? I'm just gonna go take a shower. I don't want to clean all this up and make a note of all the foundations I just used in the other video. The foundation beard looked kind of cool, so stay tuned for that video. Yeah, I don't know. Send help. Hello everyone watching for Vlogmas. I decided I might as well, come on, quick. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath going up and downstairs. Decided I'd quick do a little face mask. The Arbonne Rescue and Renew Mask. Detox face mask. Jeez. It's almost out, but I have another one downstairs. Just might as well use this up if I can get it out. Come on. Clogged it with something, dang it. Okay, I can hear air coming out. And I can smell it. Really? I like to use this before I take a shower. Nope, nothing's coming out. Okay. Well, guess I'm gonna grab a random face mask here. Formula 1006 Pores B Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it'll do in a pinch because I'm not walking down those stairs right now. I don't have it in me. Oh man. It does smell good. I forgot about that. on. Alright, I think I am covered. It says leave on 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna hang out for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I just feel like when anything's about being dry, I'll right now start filming my next video. Especially video number 3 for the day. They just mix a whole bunch of foundations on my face for a video. It's gonna make for a long day. Send help. Right now, I'm exhausted. Everyone always says VLOGMAS is exhausting, but I never really knew until, you know, now, doing my first VLOGMAS. And I'm not even doing the weekends. So, tomorrow's Friday, so this will be uploading tomorrow. I will upload Monday what happened over the weekend. And then on the 26th, I will be uploading my final day of VLOGMAS. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I'll do it that way. 26 will be the final upload of VLOGMAS. So that'll include what happened. I just got filming a third video of the day. Christmas Eve. And what happened Christmas Day. I'm gonna go try and relax for a little bit, and then I should be cooking up some dinner. That don't want to be filmed. Not exactly cooking it right now, but I gotta start it. They would love to be on camera. But I've told them needs to marinate a bit. So you'll see what I make in a minute. Yay. Or actually, it's probably in the title and thumbnail. Here we go. So shh. I need to go. What the cat's doing? Hello and welcome to the last chunk of VLOGMAS for the day. I have not heated anything on the oven yet. You get to watch me cook and, yeah, cook. I'm going to be making french fries in the air fryer, which I'm not used to the air fryer yet. Some eggs and steak. So, right now I'm just going to whisk up the eggs. The air fryer is preheating, and I have not started the steaks yet. I will be switching to a time lapse once I get the steaks going. So, 3 eggs, milk, and mild cheddar cheese. I don't know what that means. I don't like the air fryer because I don't know what I'm doing. There. Alright. Cheese back in there. Move that over there. And I'm going to switch to the time lapse. Well, everyone, that is going to conclude VLOGMAS Day 14. And I hope you all had a great weekend. Mine hasn't started yet, obviously, since it's still Thursday. There is my dinner. But I'm going to try and get more footage this weekend for you. Eggs with cheese and yeah. French fries. Love you guys. Bye. Fresh steaks there. His fries are still in there. And his eggs are in the microwave.